morning students. Today I start class 4th English NCERT book Unit 5 Helen Keller lesson page number 81. Page number 81 lesson name Helen Keller Unit 5. This is one story. First I read the lesson just to see. Okay. Helen Keller. It was the summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen Keller. But one day the baby became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but all they could say was, "There is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live." See here, it was a summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born. Here, can you see the picture? Yes, healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. City name Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly. Her parents are loved very much and named her Helen Keller. They put her name Helen Keller. Baby's name is Helen Keller. But one day the baby became ill. She became ill. She was sick. Day after day her fever stayed high. She had fever and the fever stayed high. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better. His family members all tried to help her, but that not be possible. And also they could say, "There is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live." Maybe that baby cannot be live. The member of the family says. Next, see. Helen lived, but she was not the same after her illness. Helen lived, but she lived. Helen Keller is lived, but she was not the same after the illness. After sickness, she is looking different. Something is very wrong. Something is very wrong, her mother said. Her mother observed and said something is wrong. At last they found out what was wrong. Her mother found out what is the wrong. The child could not see or hear. See, deaf and dumb, already you know. The baby could not see and hear. You know, she can't see anything and also she cannot hear any voice. The baby grew into a little girl. Her parents felt sorry for her. She grew little by little, but her parents felt very sorry. Helen often cried and held on to her mother. "Give the poor child what she wants," her father would say. Whatever she wants, that all specialists, their parents are given. Though Helen could not hear or see, she was a bright little girl, but she cannot see and hear. But she was very bright little girl. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything, and those who are observing her, that people are called she cannot learn anything. She cannot study anything. But her mother did not agree. Her mother did not agree for that. She knows Helen is very smart. Her mother knows Helen is very smart, she said, and added, "The problem is, how can we reach her? She is locked up inside herself." Helen began to grow wild. Helen began to grow. She day by day grew wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. She would not let comb her hair. And also she wear her clothes are very dirty. She cannot change her clothes. her clothes are very dirty. Can we go next page? Yes. Next page, see there, were always dirty. She was often angry. She was often angry, and sometimes she even lay on the floor and kicked her feet. She kicked her feet. She's making foolish things like kicked her feet, and she lay on the floor, and also she cannot change her class like that. Her behavior was very bad. Her parents thought that they should find a teacher for her. After that, her parents thought, we will make one teacher for her. And after that, her parents appointed one teacher. Her name was, see there, Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. See, here she is a Miss Sullivan. She is a teacher, and teacher agreed to help her to learn see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. She gave one doll. See there in the picture. Can you see? Yes, she gave one doll, and Miss doll, D-O-L-L spells doll. She says D-O-L-L spells doll. She spelled the word with her fingers. See there, with her fingers. She used her fingers and tell her to spell D-O-L-L and doll. Like that she started teaching. Fingers into Helen's hand. She made the letters with a special hand sign. That is called hand signs. She taught the baby using hand signs. Using hand signs, she started teaching. Helen copied her teacher and spelled D-O-L-L too. But she did not understand what she was doing. She did not understand what she was. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. She was strict but she is kind. Teacher was strict but she is kind. She spelled a lot of words for Helen. Like that doll she spelled, no? Like that she taught so many words for Helen and her hand day and night to make Helen understand. She taught so many words using hand signs. Hand sign. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then they spelled W-A-T-E-R. Suddenly Helen understood that water, W-A-T-E-R, meant something wet. Running over her hand, she understood that words were the most important things in the world. She is there. Running water, she put her hand here. See, the running over her hand, and she can understand something is wet. Something wet means water. She can understand that. Were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. This is the lesson. Just children, you have to read and learn this lesson. Okay, new words here down there given new words. Dearly, illness, agreed, important. Dearly means very much. Illness, sickness, agreed, of the same opinion. Agreed, same opinion, important, so of a great value. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. Here in reading is funny is there. Here they given 6 question answers. I will send in your WhatsApp. Just you copy it. Okay. After that you have to copy. Next see there. Let's talk. Using sign language, make these letters with your hand. C-H-E-K. In the next page they are given some signs. Using their signs. And you just discuss with your friends. Spell these words through hand sign. Helen and was. After that, how do people who cannot see read? Who cannot see read? Blind people can read books using Braille. Do you know Braille system? Yes, Braille system. They use Braille system where they can read the alphabets through touch. They can learn. Can you know that is called Braille system. Okay. Next, what is the script for children who cannot see called? The script for children who cannot see is called Braille. What is called that? That is called Braille. Next, how do you think you can help children who cannot see? We can help blind children by playing easy indoor games. Next, look at the signs for the letters of the alphabet. In the next page, they are given some signs. Just you see that. Okay. See in the picture, next page, they are given alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. How the signs are there. Just to observe it and see and observe. Okay. Can we go next page? Yes. Up to in alphabets X, Y, Z is there. These are alphabets signs. Just you see and learn. You try to do this. Okay. This is called Braille system. Okay. Braille system. Can we go next page? Yes. See there in the next page. Let's write. Match the two parts of sentence given under column A, B. Add but to join the two parts and write complete sentence. Here they given A column and column B. You have to use this sentence and use but. Make a sentence. Conjunction. But is a conjunction, isn't it? Where we use but. Already you know very well in previous lesson and in grammar also. Isn't it? Yes. Just you remember and make a sentence here. Okay. I'll do here one sentence. See there, first one. Helen lived after her illness. First one. Helen lived after her illness, but she could not hear or see. Like this you have to make a sentence and write. Okay, remaining you have to do yourself. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. See the team time. Read the following sentence. Her clothes were always dirty. She was often angry. Sometimes she lay on the floor. Her parents never scolded her. Ask yourself the following questions. Put a tick right under the right column. Here, see there, now your friend will ask you the same questions. This is a team time. Just do yourself. You observe and write here whatever you just put right mark in front of the column. Here they given always, often, sometimes, never is the column is there. No, you have to just put right mark. Do yourself. Okay. Okay, children, can we go next page? Yes. See, let's make something. From newspaper or old magazine, collect stories or reports of courageous children. Draw picture of the story. Read magazines or newspaper and related picture you have to draw. Talk about the stories. Okay. This is one activity. Just you do yourself. Here one poem. Pretty Peep. Sing this song together. I have a little sister. They call her Pretty Peep. She was in the water, dip, dip, dip. She climbs up the mountain high, high, high. My pretty little sister, she has just one eye. Who is Pretty Pip? A star. Okay, this is the one small poem. Just you read and learn. Okay, children. Related class now. So I will send in you a WhatsApp group. Just you copy it. Okay. Bye. Thank you.